Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build a website for your company. As you can see right here, I'll be showing you step by step how you can add images, how you can add your company opening time, and everything as a complete beginner step by step. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is none other than Wix. Wix is one of the best website builders. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you're going to tap on sign up in the top right hand corner, or you can scroll down and you're going to tap on get started, and you'll be able to create a website for your company for completely free, and you do not need a credit card to sign up. So we're going to tap on get started right here. Then you'll tap on continue with Google, or you can continue with Facebook, or you can simply enter your email address. For this example, I will continue with Google. Once you are signed in, you will be redirected to this page. And on this page, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on create new site. After you have selected create new site, you will be redirected to a new page. On the new page, all you will need to do, as you can see right here, you'll need to tap on the search bar and you're going to type out the type of website that you want, or the type of company that you're at the moment. So for example, let's say I want to create a website for my dentist business. So I'm going to type in dentist right there. Then I'll tap on that and you'll select next. After you have selected next, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So you're going to page, you can type in your business name. So you can type in your business name right there. Then from there, you can add in your business address if you want, and you're going to tap on next. After selecting next, from here, you can select your opening hours. So let's say, for example, our business is open from 8 a.m. and it closes at 4 p.m. So we can do that right there. So let's select 4 p.m. and it is open 5 days per week. Then you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can see some services that Wix expects or things that you may offer depending on the company that you have chosen. So you can see dental examination. You can simply select the boxes for the features that you offer. So you can scroll down and you can see them right there. And if you'd like to add a new service, you can do that by tapping on create new service. You could enter the service name, appointment, and the payment type, and then you'll tap on save right here. So after you have done that, let's say I want to offer this also, and home visit. Then you will tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can add your staff member's name and email address. Then you're going to tap on next once more. And if you would like to accept payments online, you can tap right there, accept in-person payments, and also send automated emails and SMS. And if you want to sell digital or physical products, you can tap on this. Then you will tap on next, then tap on. Once on the dashboard, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. If we were to go over to booking services, so let's tap on booking services, you will see all of the services that you offer. And if you would like to add or remove a new service, you can do that by tapping on add a new service in the top right hand corner. And if you would like to remove, you can tap on more actions, and from there you'll be able to delete a service. Also, if you'd like to create booking form, you can do that right there. And you can scroll down and you can see the different features. And you can edit the price per service by tapping on edit. Once you have tapped on edit beside the service, you'll be able to edit the price and also the features. So you could scroll down, you can change the image that is here. You can also change the name. And if you like to add a description, you can do that. You can also change the duration time. And after you have made all your changes, you can change the price right here. So let's say I would like it to be $50. So you could select $50 right there. After you have done that, you'll tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll tap on save anyways, and you're going to go back. So let's tap on go back right here. Now that you have done that, you'll be able to view your booking calendar in the future. So you'll be able to do that by simply tapping right here, booking calendar, then you'll select calendar. And also by scrolling down, if you would like to, for example, do email marketing or so on, you can do that by selecting marketing and SEO. From there, you'll be able to do email marketing using Wix. And to accept payments online, all you'll need to do is hover over billing and payments, then select payments. Once you have selected payments from here, depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment methods. So you're going to tap on manage payment methods. Then from there, you can connect TiloPay. You can also connect PayPal, as you can see right here. So your customers will be able to pay via PayPal and TiloPay. Once they are finished, you'll simply scroll back up and we're going to tap on setup in the top left hand corner. Now that we have added those features, is the now time to edit how our website looks. So we're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on pick a template. After you have selected pick a template, you will see some themes that Wix recommends. And one of the good things about Wix is, even if you're a complete beginner, with the themes that they recommend, your website will look professional. So let's say, for instance, I would like to use this one right here. All I would need to do is tap on edit, then give it a few seconds while the AI composes my web AI to type out content for your website by filling in the information right here. But I won't be doing that, so I'll tap on the X right there. After you have done that, this is how your website looks at the moment. So all you will need to do is tap on the plus in the top right hand corner where you see 50%. Then you can see how your website looks. So you can scroll down. Now if you would like to edit the header section, all you'll need to do is tap on the header section. Then from there, let's say I would like to change this text. I can do that. So I'm going to type in my company name right here. So you can see it right there. Another thing that you can also do is, if you would like to edit any other section, you can simply tap on the section, then tap on quick edit. And from the right hand column, if you would like to change the background image, for example, you could tap on change and you'll be able to do that. If you would like to change the title, you can do that, as you can see right here. You can also change the button. You can see the button says book now. You could change that. You can change the page that it is linked to, as it is linked to the booking page, as you can see right here. If you like to change that, you can do that right there. And also by going over to the left hand menu option, let's say for instance we would like to add a pop-up. So all you'll need to do is tap on add elements. From here, you'll see the option to add text, images, button, anything at all that you want. But let's say we want to add a pop-up. You'll simply scroll down and you're going to select interactive right here. After you have selected interactive, you can see the different options, as you can see right there. And we'll go over to Lightbox. And let's say we would like to use this Lightbox, for example. So you can see right there, welcome. And you can see subscribe. You can see the different options, as you can see here. Let's say we are offering a promotion. So we'll tap on this particular one. After you have tapped on it, you can see the pop-up right here. From here, you'll be able to edit the text. So you could tap on the text, then you could select edit, and you could edit it right there. And you can also edit the discount that is available. And you can edit any information you want. So that is how you'll be able to add a pop-up to your store, as you can see right here. Now if we were to tap on exit mode, the pop-up has now been added. Now to view the other pages that are on your website, you'll tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then from there we could tap on book now. so we can see the booking pages. So this is the booking page, as you can see right here, the different services that we offer. Now you can tap on book now once more in the top left hand corner. Let's do that real quick. And from there, if you would like to edit the about page, you can tap on about right here. After you have done that, this is our about page. And again, you can edit any section by simply hovering over the section and tapping on it. And you can see our clinic and you'll see book now. But let's say I would like to add a section, as I want to add my map or location where we are at. So I'll tap on add section. After you have tapped on add section, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option. And from there, you can hover over contact. So let's hover over contact real quick. We're going to select contact. After you have selected contact, what I want you to do next is we're going to be using this contact option, as you can see right there. You can scroll down and you can see different options. But let's say I want to use this particular one. I'm going to simply tap on it, drag it and place it right here. Now that it has been added, as you can see right there, if I were to close out, you can see how it looks right now. So you can see right there. And to add our location is quite easy. All you would need to do is simply tap on the map icon. Then you're going to select manage locations. And from there, you could add in your company location. And you'll also see your opening time, your contact number, and your address right there, as you can see right here. Now to save this, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you'll see a free URL that Wix will provide you with. We're going to tap on save and continue. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner. But normally before selecting publish, what I would do is I would select preview to see a preview of how it looks. So let me do that real quick. And remember that all of this is completely free with Wix. So you can see right here, this is how our contact page looks. If we'd like to go back to the main page, we can tap on our logo in the top left hand corner. And this is our main page, as you can see right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.